Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, each representing a unique piece of American motorcycling history. Number 1. 1972 Triumph Bonneville, $4,400, Simpsonville, South Carolina. The 1972 Triumph Bonneville is one of the most iconic British motorcycles of its era, widely recognized for its balanced performance and timeless design. Powered by a 650cc parallel twin engine, it delivers a responsive and engaging riding experience that continues to appeal to enthusiasts today. This early 1972 example features desirable details such as a UK spec fuel tank, early-style mufflers, and matching numbers, all of which contribute to its authenticity and collector appeal. The nickeled frame and gold finish give it a distinctive look that stands out without being overly restored. It is described as a good runner and is currently receiving a fresh clutch, which adds to its ride-ready condition. With a clear title in hand and strong demand for classic Bonnevilles, this bike offers a well-balanced combination of originality, usability, and long-term value. Number 2. 1963 Norton Electra, $4,500, Tampa, Florida. The 1963 Norton Electra is a rare and interesting model from Norton's lightweight lineup, featuring a 400cc parallel twin engine paired with the convenience of an electric starter, something not commonly found on motorcycles of this era. Designed as a more accessible and user-friendly option, the Electra offers a unique blend of classic British engineering and early innovation. This example is reported to be in very nice condition and runs well, with several thoughtful upgrades that improve reliability without taking away from its vintage character. These include a modern carburetor, electronic ignition system, and relatively new tires with minimal mileage. The inclusion of both side and center stands adds to its practicality. With its rarity and distinctive features, the Electra presents a compelling option for collectors or riders looking for something a bit different from more common British classics. Number 3. 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH 1000, $4,250, Roanoke Rapids, North Carolina. The 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH 1000 represents the classic Ironhead era, known for its raw mechanical feel and unmistakable V-twin character. This example is equipped with both kick and electric start, offering flexibility and ease of use for different riding situations. Over the years, it has been well-maintained and thoughtfully upgraded, including the addition of an S&S Super E carburetor, electronic ignition, and a high-output ignition coil. The top end has been rebuilt, along with various internal components, helping to ensure reliable performance. Additional features like upgraded clutch components, improved suspension, and a solo seat enhance both ride quality and comfort. With over 37,000 miles, it remains a strong-running vintage Harley that blends classic styling with practical usability for today's roads. Number 4. 1975 Honda CB550, $4,000, Savannah, Georgia. The 1975 Honda CB550 is a standout example of the universal Japanese motorcycle era, offering a smooth inline-4 engine and balanced performance that made it popular in its time and still respected today. This particular bike is a second-owner example with relatively low mileage, and it has been kept mostly original while benefiting from a few key updates to improve reliability. It runs strong, shifts smoothly, and delivers a predictable and enjoyable riding experience, making it ideal for both new and experienced riders. Its clean and honest condition sets it apart from many heavily modified or neglected examples on the market. With a clean title and even some riding gear included, this CB550 represents a practical and well-rounded vintage motorcycle that can be enjoyed immediately. Number 5. 1973 BMW R60/5, $3,300, Richmond, Virginia. The 1973 BMW R60/5 is part of BMW's well-regarded Airhead series, known for its durability, smooth performance, and long-distance capability. Powered by a Boxer twin engine, it offers a unique riding feel with strong low-end torque and stable handling. This example is currently in a moderate state of restoration, making it an ideal candidate for someone looking to complete a project. It has been fitted with new carburetors and was previously a reliable runner, although it has been sitting for some time and will require some recommissioning work. The bike comes with original panniers and additional parts which can be valuable for restoration or customization. For enthusiasts who appreciate classic BMW engineering, this R60/5 offers a solid foundation with plenty of potential at an accessible price point. Number 6. 1982 Suzuki GS750E, $3,200, Pittsboro, North Carolina. The 1982 Suzuki GS750E is a classic inline-four motorcycle from the early 1980s, known for its solid performance and dependable engineering. This example stands out for its remarkably original condition, described as being close to a preserved, near-museum quality bike. It has been garage-kept its entire life, which helps explain its strong cosmetic presentation. While it is currently not running due to long-term storage, it is likely a straightforward recommissioning project for someone familiar with vintage machines. With a clean title and such well-preserved originality, this GS750E offers a rare opportunity to own a highly intact example from Suzuki's golden era. Number 7. 1966 Triumph TR6R 650, $6,800, Stuart, Florida. The 1966 Triumph TR6R is a classic British twin that captures the essence of mid-1960s motorcycling with its clean lines and responsive performance. Powered by a 650cc engine, it delivers a lively and engaging ride that continues to appeal to enthusiasts today. This example is described as a numbers-matching bike that remains largely original, which adds to its authenticity and collector value. It has been fitted with a Boyer electronic ignition for improved reliability, while still retaining its vintage character. The bike runs and looks great with a natural patina that reflects its age without taking away from its appeal. For those seeking an honest and usable British classic, this TR6R is a strong option. Number 8. 1969 Yamaha AT1 125, $4,500, Southport, North Carolina. The 1969 Yamaha AT1 125 is a lightweight two-stroke motorcycle that embodies the fun and simplicity of late 1960s riding. Known for its versatility and easy handling, it's a great choice for both casual rides and vintage enthusiasts. This example has undergone a full professional restoration and has only been ridden a few hundred miles since completion. It is described as running exceptionally well, with all components functioning as intended. The clean presentation and attention to detail make it stand out among similar bikes. For collectors or riders looking for a fully sorted small displacement classic, this AT1 offers both reliability and nostalgic appeal. Number 9. 1983 Kawasaki KZ1100A3 Shaft Drive, $1,500, East Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The 1983 Kawasaki KZ1100A3 is a powerful and durable inline-4 motorcycle, representing one of the final years of Kawasaki's air-cooled shaft drive models. This example has been stored for an extended period and is currently not running, making it a project for someone willing to bring it back to life. The engine turns over and shows signs of life, and the electrical components are reported to be functioning, which is a positive starting point. With around 34,000 miles and a clean title in hand, it offers a solid foundation for restoration or repair. At this price, it presents an affordable opportunity to revive a large displacement vintage Kawasaki. Number 10. 1965 Piaggio Vespa Sprint 150, $8,200, Mount Ephraim, New Jersey. The 1965 Vespa Sprint 150 is a classic Italian scooter known for its elegant design and practical performance. This example features an original body paired with a rebuilt engine completed in Italy, adding both authenticity and mechanical confidence. With fewer than 200 miles on the rebuilt engine, it remains in excellent running condition. The scooter has been carefully maintained, used primarily during warmer months, and stored properly when not in use. It is currently registered and road legal, making it ready for immediate enjoyment. For collectors or enthusiasts seeking a high-quality vintage Vespa, this Sprint 150 offers a premium and well-preserved package. Number 11. 1972 Norton Commando Combat, $7,200, Keystone Heights, Florida. The 1972 Norton Commando Combat is one of the most respected British performance motorcycles of its era, known for its strong engine and distinctive styling. The Combat version offered enhanced performance, making it especially desirable among enthusiasts. This example is reported to be in excellent running and cosmetic condition, suggesting it has been well maintained over the years. With around 27,000 miles and a clean Florida title, it presents as a solid, rideable classic rather than a project. As Commandos continue to gain recognition in the collector market, this bike offers a great balance of performance, history, and usability. Number 12. 1978 Triumph 750 Bonneville Cafe Racer, $3,900, Pinecrest, Florida. The 1978 Triumph Bonneville 750 remains a timeless British twin, appreciated for its classic design and engaging riding experience. This example has been styled as a cafe racer, blending vintage aesthetics with practical upgrades. Improvements such as upgraded brakes and an enhanced ignition system help make it more reliable and enjoyable to ride. It is described as starting easily and running strong, making it a ready-to-ride machine. With its clean black finish and classic lines, this Bonneville offers a great mix of traditional character and modern usability at an accessible price point. Number 13. 1970 Honda CB125 JDM, $4,200, Fort Myers, Florida. The 1970 Honda CB125 is a lightweight classic that represents Honda's early innovation in small displacement motorcycles. This particular example is especially unique, as it is a Japanese domestic market model that was never officially sold in the United States. Its history, tied to importation through a U.S. serviceman, adds an extra layer of interest and rarity. With around 11,000 miles, it appears to be a well-preserved example of early 1970s engineering. Compact, efficient, and easy to ride, bikes like this are increasingly appreciated by collectors. For those looking for something uncommon with historical significance, this CB125 stands out. Number 14. 1949 Indian Scout 249, $11,000, Caldwell, West Virginia. The 1949 Indian Scout 249 is a historically significant motorcycle, marking the first and only year this particular model carried the Scout name in that form. Known for its nostalgic appeal and classic American styling, it holds a special place in motorcycle history. This example is largely original, with matching engine, frame, and title, which adds to its authenticity and collector value. While it has not been running for several years, it previously operated well and turns over, indicating solid potential for recommissioning. For collectors seeking a rare and historically important machine, this Indian Scout presents a unique opportunity. Number 15. 1977 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $950, Lyman, South Carolina. The 1977 Honda Goldwing GL1000 is a well-known touring platform powered by a smooth and capable flat-4 engine. This example is an affordable project bike that was running recently but has since been sitting and will require some basic work to get back on the road. It comes with several useful updates, including newer tires, seat, lighting, and upgraded carburetors from a later model. The brakes are reported to be in good working condition, and it includes a clean title. For buyers looking for a low-cost entry into vintage motorcycling or a hands-on project, this GL1000 offers strong potential. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycles that shaped the history of riding in the U.S.
Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with your fellow riders before we